How to turn on live photos on TikTok, Android, and iOS. Did you know TikTok has a live photos feature that brings your still images to life with motion, and most people have no idea it even exists? In the next 2.5 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn it on and use it on both Android and iPhone in 2026. Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're walking through how to enable and use live photos on TikTok step by step. Whether you're posting photo carousels or saving TikTok content as live photos to your camera roll, this guide covers everything you need to know on both Android and iOS. Let's get straight into it. Step 1. Make sure your TikTok app is fully updated before anything else. Live Photos functionality on TikTok requires the latest version of the app to work correctly on both Android and iPhone. Open your Play Store or App Store, search TikTok, and hit Update if one is available. An outdated app is the #1 reason this feature doesn't show up for people. Step 2. Open TikTok and tap the plus button at the bottom center of the screen to open the camera and content creation area. This is where the live photo option becomes accessible when you are working with photo content, specifically rather than video. Step 3. On iPhone, tap the Upload button in the bottom right corner of the creation screen and select a photo from your camera roll to add to your post. Once your photo is loaded into the TikTok editor, look for the Live Photo toggle option that appears in the top toolbar of the editing screen. Tap it to enable the live motion effect on your photo before posting. Step 4. On Android, the process is very similar. Tap Upload, select your photo, and once it loads into the editor, check the top menu bar for the live photo or motion effect option. On some Android devices, this option may appear as an animation toggle rather than being labeled live photo directly, but it produces the same moving image result when your post is viewed by others. Step 5. To save a TikTok post as a live photo to your own camera roll on iPhone, find any TikTok photo post in your feed that supports the feature. Tap the share arrow on the right side of the screen, then look for the Save as Live Photo option in the Share menu. Tap it, and the live image will be saved directly to your iPhone Photos app as a fully functional live photo. Step 6. On Android, saving as a live photo works slightly differently since Android does not natively support the live photo format the same way iOS does. Instead, TikTok will save the content as a short video clip to your gallery. Open your gallery app after saving, and you will find the motion image saved there ready to use or reshare. Step 7. To make sure your saved live photos are displaying correctly on iPhone, open your Photos app, find the saved image, press and hold on it, and you should see the motion animation play. If it shows as a still image, go to your TikTok settings, tap Privacy, then tap Downloads and make sure Save as Live Photo is fully enabled in your account preferences. Pro tip: live photos on TikTok look most impressive when used with portrait shots, nature scenes, or any image that has subtle natural movement like hair, water, or fabric. These types of photos make the live motion effect feel smooth and cinematic rather than jarring. And they perform significantly better in terms of engagement when posted as photo carousels on your TikTok profile. And that is your complete guide to turning on live photos on TikTok for both Android and iPhone. To recap, update your app first, open the camera and upload a photo, enable the live photo or motion toggle in the editor before posting. Save TikTok live photos to your camera roll using the Share menu on iPhone, and check your privacy settings if saving isn't working correctly. Simple feature, stunning results. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks, and let me know in the comments. Did you already know about this feature, or is this brand new to you? I reply to every comment and I would love to hear from you. See you in the next one.